In this guide, you'll learn how to find your iPhone using another phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device. This method works even if you don't have access to your missing iPhone. To begin, open a web browser on the phone you are using, such as Safari or Google. In the address bar, go to iCloud.com. You will need to sign in using your Apple ID, which is the same email or phone number and password linked to your iPhone. After signing in, you will see your Apple ID account dashboard. From here, tap on Find My option. Once it opens, you will see a list of devices connected to your account. Tap on your missing iPhone and the map will zoom in to show its exact location. From the screen, you can choose to play a sound to help locate the phone nearby. Mark it as a lost, erase if necessary, or remove it from your account. If you tap play sound, your iPhone will begin making a loud alert sound even if it's on silent, making it easier to find. And that's it. This is how you can quickly locate your iPhone using another phone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.